Removing your door panel is not difficult. That being said, it is a good idea to order some extra rubber isolators before you begin. You're going to be working around the airbag, so begin by disconnecting the ground cable on your battery and letting it sit for at least 20 minutes to allow the energy to dissipate. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Our Project 991 has the Renline RS door pulls installed, indicated by the red arrow. If your doors have the regular handle, you will need to use a trim removal tool and remove the small trim panel behind the handle and then the T30 torque behind that. There are 3 areas you will be working on: the trim by the rear view, red arrow, the airbag trim cover, blue arrow, and the upper end of the door, green arrow. Use a trim removal tool and press in on the base, then lift up on the trim piece, red arrow. There is a hooked end on the piece, red arrow, that needs to be lifted up and out by rotating the piece towards the front of the vehicle. Next, use a trim removal tool and gently pry off the cover with the airbag symbol on it. With the piece off, you can see where the 5 tabs that you will be prying are located, red arrows. At the end of the door on the shoulder, pry off the cover to expose the hardware. Our car had a 10mm bolt, but it should be a T30 torque, red arrow. Remove the fastener. Move back to the electrical connections under the airbag cover. Push in on the tab on the blue connector, red arrow, and lift up the purple lever. Remove the connection from the base. Use a T30 torque and remove the 2 fasteners, red arrows. Again, one of ours was a 10mm bolt. With everything free, simply lift up on the door panel. Do not pull it away from the vehicle yet. Tilt the panel towards you and squeeze in on the Bowden cable clip, red arrow, and separate it from the mount. Turn the cable until you can remove the end from its mount, blue arrow. Place the panel on a soft, clean surface to protect it. Here you can see the hooks on the panel that mount to the door carrier, red arrows. The red arrow indicates the door airbag. The blue arrows indicate some of the locations for the hook mounts. They should have some rubber isolators on them to eliminate squeaks and rattles. If they are missing or damaged, now is a good time to replace them. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.